Hey everyone, ready to get started with yoga? Here are the top 5 yoga poses perfect for beginners. Let's flow. Pose number 1, mountain pose. Stand tall with feet together, shoulders relaxed, and arms by your sides. Take deep breaths and ground yourself. Pose number 2, downward dog. From a plank position, lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Keep your spine straight and heels pressing towards the ground. Pose number 3, warrior 1. Step 1 foot forward, bend your front knee, and reach your arms overhead. Hold and feel the strength. Pose number 4, child's pose. Kneel on the mat, sit back on your heels, and extend your arms forward, resting your forehead on the mat. A great pose for relaxation. Pose number 5, tree pose. Stand on one leg, place the sole of the other foot on your inner thigh or calf, and bring your hands together at your chest. Balance and focus. These poses are perfect to start your yoga journey. Practice them regularly for a strong foundation. Namaste. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more yoga tips and routines. See you next time.